Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel called Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage rustic shabby chic farmhouse decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Vintage rustic shabby chic farmhouse decor is a blended home decorating style that combines three distinct but complementary aesthetics: vintage, rustic farmhouse, and shabby chic, to create a cozy, time-worn yet elegant look. Let's break it down. Core elements of the style: vintage relies on time-worn pieces with history, antique furniture, heirloom linens, distressed mirrors, or retro accessories, adds nostalgia and character. Rustic farmhouse, inspired by country living with natural textures like wood, stone, linen, and metal. Use neutral earthy palettes like exposed beams, weathered burnt woods, galvanized metal, and own baskets. Functionality is as important as beauty. Shabby chic, romantic feminine touch with soft pastels, lace, ruffles, floral fabrics, and distressed white furniture. Furniture and decor often appear gently edged with chalk paint finishes, creating a charming, cozy, and lived-in elegance. Decor accents: vintage candlelights with crystals above a rustic table. Use old enamel pictures holding fresh or dried flowers. Use rustic crotches or wire baskets paired with soft floral cushions. Reclaimed barn doors styles with shabby chic reds. Next, floors and walls. Use whitewashed walls, wood paneling, exposed brick, white plank wood floors, sometimes layered with vintage rugs. Lighting: farmhouse lanterns, old iron candelabras, vintage lamps with lace or linen shades. Atmosphere it creates: this style makes a home feel warm and welcoming, thanks to rustic farmhouse touches. Romantic and charming through shabby chic details, timeless and nostalgic from vintage accents. It is perfect for those who love a cozy, story-filled home that looks both casually elegant and comfortably worn in. The blend of styles in action. This decor is all about layering contrast to create balance. Rustic plus shabby chic. Pair a rock farmhouse oak table with soft lace runners and pastel china. Vintage plus farmhouse. Hang a weathered antique clock or enamel sign in a rustic entryway. Shabby chic plus vintage. Use a distressed white vanity with vintage floral patterned upholstery. This layered mix keeps spaces from feeling too rough, pure farmhouse, too precious, pure shabby chic, or too status, just vintage. Key decor pieces and details: furniture, whitewashed or chalk painted cabinets and hatches, a sleep-covered linen sofa with soft cushions. Farmhouse harvest table with mismatched vintage chairs. Use distressed dressers or armoires with ornate but faded details. Fabrics and textiles. Use dramatic floral fabrics in faded tones, lace curtains layered with rustic balances, squares, crocheted throws, and vintage embroidered linens. Neutral slip covers to soften heavier wood furniture. Accessories: vintage candelabras or candelabras, tripping with crystals. Use antique pictures, enamel and rustic crocks as vases. Also use art baskets, galvanized tubs, and old clutters for storage. Use distressed picture frames, mirrors with patina, and old clocks. Atmosphere and lifestyle. This style creates a home that feels romantic but grounded. Soft family touches paired with sturdy farmhouse foundations. Collected over time, nothing feels brand new. Nostalgic pieces look found, inherited, or repurposed. Comfortable and lived in. No strict formality. Everything invites touch and use. It suits people who love flower markets, antique shops, and DIY transformations. Want a home that feels nostalgic and personal rather than catalog perfect. Perfect coziness and charm of a sleek modern minimalism. Signature combination: a rustic farmhouse bench topped with a floral shabby cushion, a vintage candelabra, a reclaimed old dining table. A distressed farmhouse hut filled with pastel dishes and lace-trimmed linens. Use galvanized buckets or wooden crackers filled with roses or lavender. Let's explore vintage rustic shabby farmhouse decor in even greater depth. So, you get a full picture of how this style works beyond just the basics. Philosophy of the style. Vintage rustic shabby farmhouse is not just a decor style, it is a lifestyle aesthetic. It follows history and character, furniture and decor that tell a story. Imperfection, chipped paint, own finishes, and handmade charm are celebrated. Cozy functionality, farmhouse practicality meets shabby romance. Collected beauty, mixing heirlooms, flower market finds, and rustic everyday items. Extended color palette, base neutrals, use white, cream, ivory, greys, soft beige. Rustic anchors, use warm wood, faded black metal, and muted gray. Shabby accents, use blush pink, soft shades, powder blue, lavender, faded yellow. Vintage, vintage depth, patina greens, antique bronze, and tarnished silver. This mix keeps the home light, soft, and airy while grounding it with rustic and vintage character. Furniture details: rustic farmhouse foundation, large harvest tables, farmhouse benches, barn-style doors. Use sturdy wooden armoires and hatches. Use own farmhouse chairs and rockers. Shabby romance. Use ornate French-inspired dressers, whitewashed and distressed. Upholstered chairs in faded floral or ticking-style fabrics. Use iron paint frames with delicate curves. Vintage personality. Use time-worn trunks used as coffee tables, antique swing machines, sideboard or vanity mirrors. Use weathered wicker and rattan setting. Decorative touches and styling. Layering is key. Combine rustic basket with lace runners or galvanized tints with pastel flowers. Mix and match. Top a full matching set. Mix vintage chairs around a farmhouse table. Reclaim charm. Old books, windows, shutters used as wall decor. Natural elements, fresh or dried flowers, especially roses, lavender, and hydrangeas. Repurposed items, a window's ladder as a blanket rack, passengers as vases, clothes as shelving. Lighting choices, candelabras with crystals in distressed finishes. Rustic lantern style painting or old iron lamps. Use vintage lampshades with lace, ruffles, or pleated fabric. Use soft ambient glow instead of harsh modern lighting. Atmosphere in each room. Living room is cozy slip-covered sofa, vintage coffee tables, and layered rugs. Kitchen, farmhouse sink, open shelving, pastel dishware, and vintage canisters. Bedroom, iron or distressed oak beds, lace-trimmed linens, and antique dressers. Bathroom, use clawfoot tubs, vintage mirrors, wicker baskets, and floral shower curtains. The feel of the home. When you walk into a home styled this way, you feel invited. Nothing is too perfect to touch. Club, soft colors and textures create a peaceful vibe. Charmed. Every piece has personality, from a flower market teacup to a farmhouse hut. Romantically rustic, a blend of cottage charm, farmhouse hut, and shabby elegance. Think of it like this. If a farmhouse married a friend's cottage and their grandmother filled it with antique and romance, that is vintage rustic shabby farmhouse decor. Origins and influence. This style is fusion of three decorating traditions. First, rustic farmhouse. Born from simple country living, using sturdy raw materials like wood, stone, and iron. Shabby popularized in the 1980s to 1990s. Romantic and feminine with soft pastels, ruffles, lace, and distressed finishes. Witness the soul of the style using antique and second-hand finds to add character, nostalgia, and uniqueness. When combined, they create a look that is practical yet charming, humble yet romantic, and casual yet elegant. Signature elements in tip. Furniture, often second-hand or repurposed, painted and distressed. Farmhouse tables with imperfect old tops. Vintage dressers with crystal knobs. Use iron bed frames softened with shuffled weighting. Mismatched chairs gathered around on rustic table. Textiles, soft plus rough contrast, lace over border, ruffles with raw wood, squares, crocheted throws, and embroidered linens. Pastel floral slipcovers and cushions use layered rugs, jute base with faded Persian or floral rug on top. Decor accents, mason doors, enamel pictures, and galvanized tubs. Use distressed picture frames, often white or pastel. Use windows mirrors with ornate but faded frames. Use old books stacked casually with lace ribbons. Braids made from lavender, eucalyptus, or dried roses. Extended styling ideas: walls, chiplet, bedboard, whitewashed brick, or floral wallpaper. Floors: white plank, oud stone, or painted floorboards with layered rugs. Windows: lace curtains layered with neutral linen jobs. Storage: old cabinets, open farmhouse shelving, wicker baskets, and vintage cloths. The mood it creates is inviting. You feel you can curl up with tea and a quilt. Nostalgic, like stepping into your grandmother's farmhouse or a storybook cottage. Romantic, pastel flowers, candlelight, and truffles soften rustic taste. Authentic, nothing is perfect or glossy. Everything has patina and charm. Example vignettes are distressed white vanity topped with a tipped porcelain pitcher of roses. A farmhouse, 8 chippens with wicker baskets bent, lace trimmed pillows on top. A clawfoot top surrounded by vintage mirrors and wicker hampers. A rustic open shelf kitchen holding pastel teacups, enamel jugs, and floral plates. Why people love it? It is budget friendly. You can shift, repurpose, and DIY. It is timeless, never feels trendy, always homey. It is personal, every object feels like it has a story. It is cozy and romantic, rustic sturdiness plus shabby softness, equal perfect balance. Think of it as a style that blends farmhouse practicality, vintage nostalgia, and shabby romance to create a home that feels lived in, loved, and layered with charm. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.